From gigantic hammers to ultra-precise robotic arms, these engineering beasts lift, smash, weld, and build with unbelievable exactness. Come along as we explore the most impressive and mind-blowing industrial technologies that keep today's manufacturing world spinning. SMS Group is a worldwide leader in engineering plants and machinery for the metals industry. They design and deliver complete facilities for producing, casting, rolling, forging, extruding, and processing steel, aluminum, and copper. On top of that, SMS Group supplies cutting-edge systems for creating high-quality metal powders used in 3D printing and other powder metallurgy applications. What truly sets them apart is their mastery of ultra-tight tolerances. Thanks to latest generation equipment and highly skilled specialists, they manufacture components with astonishing precision, the perfect choice for automotive, aerospace, and any sector that demands zero margin for error. They also dominate extreme temperature environments. Their furnaces and heat treatment lines are built to survive infernal conditions, letting them handle the toughest alloys without breaking a sweat, a huge advantage for aerospace and energy generation customers. Texinter, Russia, designs and builds advanced braiding machines plus the software that runs them. Their equipment braids cords, tapes, tubes, wires, precious metals, and composite fibers with outstanding accuracy. The star of their software lineup is TexMind Braider Multifilament, a powerful program that creates full 3D models of braided structures, calculates mechanical properties, optimizes machine parameters, and even plans color patterns for tubular braids. SumSpringWorks is a top-tier specialist in custom hot-coiled and cold-coiled springs, stampings, wire forms, machine parts, metal spinning, and water jet cutting. They can coil springs up to 36 inches in outer diameter and 70 inches in free length. Their hot winding expertise is unmatched, delivering unbeatable strength and flexibility for springs of virtually any dimension. Need it fast. They offer rush production and fully flexible order quantities to match your exact requirements. DMS Design stands for creativity and precision in industrial machining. Their machines are incredibly versatile and excel at producing complicated, high-accuracy parts. Widely trusted in aerospace, automotive, and medical fields, they help reduce material waste, cut production time, and deliver outstanding design freedom while keeping costs justified by long-term performance. Melting Solutions brings next-level efficiency to metal melting and casting. Their systems deliver reliable, energy-smart performance across all kinds of metals, improving both quality and sustainability while lowering operating costs over time. Ballard Forge masters the art of forging. Their equipment shapes metal with enormous force yet remarkable control, creating components famous for superior strength and fatigue resistance, vital for automotive, aerospace, and heavy industry applications. Peston manufactures double-wall corrugated pipes from high-density polyethylene. A smooth inner wall ensures excellent flow while the spirally wound outer profile dramatically boosts ring stiffness. The outer layer is extruded, formed, and continuously welded around the inner tube, resulting in lightweight yet extremely robust pipes available in multiple stiffness classes. A simple iron ingot can become almost anything thanks to giant forging presses like the one operated by Anand. After initial shaping, many parts go through ring rolling, a process that turns a thick blank into perfect seamless rings for bearings, flanges, turbine components, and more, all under the watchful eye of control room technicians. Bevel gears, those conical toothed wonders that transmit power between shafts, usually at 90 degrees, are everywhere. Hand drills, cars, locomotives, power plants, and marine gearboxes. Modern production often combines rough forming on massive spiral bevel gear generators with final precision grinding on CNC machines like the gigantic Gleason BGS C300. Ever wondered how vinyl records are born? At Palace Group, PVC granules are heated, colored, usually black, cooled into pellets, remelted into biscuits, then squeezed under 100 tons between grooved stampers. After rapid cooling and trimming, each record is carefully inspected by eye and ear before slipping into its sleeve. The MBK cage welding line is pure industrial poetry. Steel bars up to 57 millimeters thick are fed, bent, and welded into perfect reinforcement cages for bridges and towers, sparks flying in hypnotic rhythm. Polymer wheels start as raw granules, get melted into gooey dough, poured into molds, pressed under heat and pressure, then cooled, demolded, trimmed, and polished until perfectly round. Aula Buri NV automates broom-making magic. Bristles are fed, cut, bundled, and punched into brush heads at up to 1,200 tufts per minute. Dozens of finished brooms every hour. Garden shovels begin as flat steel blanks. A massive press punches the shape, another forms the iconic scoop, adding strength in the process, and finally the wooden handle is riveted on, ready for decades of digging, or the occasional misplaced nail. Dream of turning backyard logs into lumber. The portable wood miser sawmill makes it reality. Adjust the blade, feed the log, and watch perfect boards roll out, some models handling trunks up to 36 inches across, and finally, when it comes to razor-sharp perfection, few match the knife-making mastery of VOF. True artists of edge and steel. There you go, completely rewritten, same meaning, every fact intact, just fresh words and flow. Rocket. It all starts with the knife shape getting stamped out in one swift motion. But the real magic happens when it's tossed into a blazing forge reaching temperatures of around 1,800 degree F. Once that's done, it's time for the knife to get its sharp personality. A perfectly serrated edge that can cut through anything from bread to bone with ease. The handle is carefully riveted on for a rock-solid fit, no wobbles here. Fun fact, VOF uses triple rivets in their handles, a technique that dates back over a century for maximum durability. Once attached, the handle goes through a rigorous process of sanding and polishing to give it that smooth, ergonomic finish. MTI, Manufacturing Technology Incorporated, stands at the forefront of the global industry in providing cutting-edge solutions for joining and friction welding. Their expertise lies in the creation of state-of-the-art friction welders, ensuring the production of consistently high-quality welds, whether for components on Earth or in the vast expanse of outer space. MTI offers a diverse range of friction welding technologies, encompassing rotary friction welding, linear friction welding, low-force friction welding, and friction stir welding. MTI has an impressive track record, having contributed to significant projects like welding the fuel tanks for both the Space Shuttle and the International Space Station. Their expertise has been instrumental in advancing space exploration. Next is Bailey Industrial, a globally recognized provider of high-quality metal machinery. A hydraulic tube bender can be used to create handrails, race car chassis, roll cages, and more. According to Bailey Industrial Limited, this device reduces physical effort, is quicker and more accurate, is less expensive than programmed tubes, and doesn't require human force. The procedure involves correctly positioning the steel tube and waiting for the bending to happen. This one might not be as flashy, but stick with me, it's all about precision. The Wafio's MB90 coiling and bending machine is like a master craftsman of wires. It takes long, straight wires and bends them into complex shapes with perfect accuracy. The Wafio's MB90 can coil wire at up to 90 meters per minute. That's nearly the length of a football field in just 60 seconds. Let's dive into some serious mechanical satisfaction with the Goodsmith Magnets Nail Aligner. Watch as thousands of nails glide down the conveyor belt. It's like watching a well-rehearsed dance of metal, where every nail falls in line with absolute precision. These magnets don't just keep things tidy, they're strong enough to handle hundreds of nails per minute without missing a beat. But the real show starts at the end, where the nails drop into the sorting box. As they reach the final stretch, the nails are guided into place with effortless precision, cascading neatly into the box below. We've all seen them, and some of us have even tried to take them apart, wooden pallets. But have you ever wondered how these sturdy structures are made? Let's check it out with the MCKA pallet double nailing line. It all starts with wooden planks being lined up perfectly by the machine, and then the real action begins. Using high-powered nail guns, the machine drives hundreds of nails into the wood with precision. No hammering required. This machine can nail up to 1,500 nails per pallet in just a couple of minutes, making it a pallet-making powerhouse. Shifting our focus to writing instruments, we encounter Faber-Castell, renowned for quality and innovation in pen manufacturing. Let's explore the ingenious tools and machines behind the creation of these writing instruments. The distinction of Faber-Castell machinery lies in precision and meticulous attention to detail in pen, pencil, and writing tool manufacturing. Notably, the brand is acclaimed for its commitment to sustainable practices, utilizing environmentally friendly materials and manufacturing processes. Efficiency is evident in the consistent quality of Faber-Castell's products, meeting high consumer standards. Responsible material sourcing and energy-efficient production methods minimize environmental impact, while costs reflect investments in quality and sustainability. The enduring benefits in brand reputation and customer loyalty have established Faber-Castell as a leader in the writing instrument industry. Next up is Alaplast GmbH, a distinguished German company and leading specialist in crafting top-quality plastic windows and doors. Renowned for their innovative technologies, they excel in achieving exceptional levels of thermal insulation, safety features, and cutting-edge design. Alaplast products are meticulously designed to enhance comfort, security, and energy efficiency within homes. With a strong global presence, the company stands as one of the foremost providers of plastic profile systems in the industry. Their commitment to excellence sets them apart in the field of window and door solutions. The Alaplast GmbH process involves heating a plastic pellet to a malleable state, then extruding it through a die to form a continuous tube or profile. Let's dive into the fascinating world of container making with the Parker blow molding machine. It all starts when a tube of hot plastic, called a parison, is placed inside a mold. Then high-pressure air is blown into the parison, expanding it to fill the mold shape. Just like blowing up a balloon. In a matter of seconds, the plastic cools and hardens, creating everything from water bottles to large industrial containers. The Parker blow molding machine can produce up to 3,000 containers per hour. Next is China RCM, a distinguished manufacturer specializing in producing small and medium-sized concentrated grout shield machines, as well as friction stir welding equipment, and providing specialized CNC machining design, manufacturing, and sales services. Their products find wide-ranging applications in city pipeline network construction, aviation, aerospace, electronics, high-speed rail, and various other industries. Rotary friction welding in China RCM entails spinning up two metal parts and driving them into contact in order to solder two axles onto a single component. Cable cars, bridges, and even heavy-duty cranes are incomplete without ropeways. This is why Fatzer AG has been manufacturing the best ropes in the market. To make sure of the quality, each tensile strength of the wires is measured and tested. If they pass the standards, the wires will be installed on a stranding machine that draws the cables on a twisting head. To further secure the strands of rope, it's sprayed with grease and processed through a ropeway cage that rotates and ties the different strands together. If the desired diameter and strength is reached, the ropes will be tested again. All right, kids, ever wondered where those squishy playground mats you love come from? Let's take a look with Alpha. First, the magic starts with tiny rubber granules, often made from recycled tires. How cool is that? As the tires are broken down, everything that's not rubber, such as metal wires and fibers, is carefully sifted out and removed. What's left is pure rubber, ready for the next step. Once separated, the rubber is further processed and refined, ultimately being transformed into small rubber pellets. These pellets can then be used for various applications, from playground surfaces to rubberized asphalt, giving new life to what would have been waste. These granules are mixed together with a special glue and then poured into molds to create the perfect shape. But that's not all. The mixture is pressed down and heated to make sure the mats are strong and flexible so you can jump, run, and fall without getting hurt. After they cool off, the mats are popped out of the mold and given their bright, fun colors. Last but not least is Formetch. Headquartered in the UK, Formetch specializes in the design and production of vacuum forming machines tailored for diverse applications. Their extensive lineup encompasses compact desktop models, floor-standing units, and large format models equipped with semi-automatic operation features. These machines find utility across a spectrum of industries, including R&D, production, education, crafts, confectionery, film, and theater. Among others, Formetch stands out for providing budget-friendly and adaptable vacuum forming solutions, ensuring suitability for a wide range of projects and unique requirements. And there you have it, folks. We've just showcased some of the most renowned production lines in today's world. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay tuned and keep exploring the world of construction machinery.